In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to change the ink cartridges for your HP OfficeJet Pro 8120 or 8130 printer series. First, open up the front door. Lift up the cartridge access door. We'll remove the ink cartridges from the printer. Next, we're going to replace with these new ink cartridges. Remove the ink cartridge from its packaging. To remove the orange tab, you need to twist in this direction. You may discard the orange piece. Now load in the ink cartridge as shown. Press down the ink cartridge. Repeat the procedure for the rest of the ink cartridges. The ink cartridges are installed. Close the ink access door. As well as the front door. On the control panel, you can see that there are new HP ink cartridges installed. And these are original HP cartridges. So this is how you replace or change your ink cartridges for your HP OfficeJet Pro 8120 or 8130 printer series.